Good morning, dear students and parents. As you are already enjoyed with all the previous videos in the past few days. Now, in accounts also you are going to see. I remember what is accounts. Already you are studied in +1 the accounts meanings, rules, concept, assumptions, principles thoroughly. Now, the meaning of accountancy is the practice of recording, classifying and reporting on business transactions for the business. It provides feedback to management regarding the financial results and status of an organization. The first chapter in accounts from incomplete records. We are aware of the basic fundamentals is for every debit there is an corresponding equivalent credit. Accordingly, every business transactions have two aspects. One is debit aspect and another one is credit aspect. But some of the business organization they need not necessary to follow this double entry bookkeeping system. They can follow their own way of keeping accounts and doing accounts, and that's way we can call it as unscientific methods because there is no strict rules to be followed and there is no system to follow. Even with all these weakness, some of the business organization they can follow so that it is not a systematic and scientific. That way of accounts which concern is preparing that the account of incomplete records, or it is otherwise called as single entry system. Single entry system. It is a system of recording a transaction when the double entry system of accounting is not followed. Advantages of single entry system. It is a flexible method and it is a simple method and less expensive. No need for advanced knowledge of accounting. Easy to compute profit and loss. In the double entry system, we keep the books on the basis of the dual aspect concept. Every debit has a respective credit. The firm that do not keep their accounting books as per this system follow the single entry system. Under the single entry system, a firm maintains only cash account and the accounts of the debtors and the creditors properly. That means maintain the personal accounts. It does not maintain the accounts of expenses, incomes, assets and liabilities properly. Hence, as the information provided by these records is incomplete, they are known as incomplete records. Reasons for incompleteness. The preparator may keep the accounting records on the basis of single entry due to the following reasons. First one, he has no knowledge or lack of knowledge about the accounting principles and concepts. Second one, the double entry system is comparatively an expensive way of maintaining the financial accounts. The accounts may charge a handsome amount as fees. Third one, maintaining incomplete records consumes less time. Fourth one, it's more convenient to maintain records as per the single entry system. The features of incomplete records are as under. First one, it is an irregular process of recording transactions. Second one, personal transactions of owners might be recorded in the cash book. To determine profit or loss or for taking any other data, certain figures can be obtained only from the original vouchers such as sales or purchase invoice, etc. Therefore, dependency on original vouchers is necessary. The last feature is many companies maintain records according to their performance and requirements, and their accounts are not relative due to lack of consistency. Limitations of incomplete records. Though maintaining incomplete records is easier, but it is not a systematic method of maintaining accounts. Its limitations are as follows. First one, we cannot prepare a trial balance to ensure the accuracy of the accounts in the absence of the double entry system. Second one, it fails to ascertain the accurate financial results of the organization. Third one, investigation and examination of the profitability, solvency and liquidity are difficult. Hence, the outsiders and bankers may not lend money for the expansions of the business. Fourth one, in case of loss by fire or theft, claiming the insurance amount causes great difficulty due to incomplete records and missing information. Fifth one, also convincing the income tax authorities about the computed income is difficult in the absence of proper accounting. In incomplete records, only the business peoples ascertain of profit and loss and to find the financial positions for preparing trading, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Thank you, students.